For those of you guys that may be running bigger wheels and tires on your truck, well, you're probably going to run into an instance when you need to change those bigger wheels when you're out on the trail. Well, we know that that stock jack that came with your truck isn't going to cut it. So we're going to show you a way to carry a bigger, more heavy-duty jack, and also show you a way to keep that jack from sinking in the mud or sinking in the sand. We're going to start by putting down some measurements on a piece of 16-gauge sheet metal. The piece we're going to use is about 23 inches by about 12 and a half inches. And then we'll mark a 1-inch bend line and head over to the brake. Always bend just a little under, because you can always go more. And we're just going to weld this to a section of our PreRunner's cage. And now this is a great spot because it's right next to our spare tires. Now all I have to do is come up with a way to keep this from sinking in the mud or the sand. And this is how we're going to keep this from sinking into the sand. We're going to weld on a piece of aluminum onto the bottom to disperse the weight. And we made this the same way we made the carrier. Now all I have to do is prep this for welding. An angle grinder and a grinding disc quickly take the powder coating off the jack. Now this is an aluminum race jack, so we're simply going to TIG weld the plate on. Now we welded in a couple pieces of tubing to hold the handles in place, and when you set the jack down, that also keeps the handles from falling out. We also welded in some washers to help pull down the hold down.